What's going on, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you for stopping by. This video is going to be real short, it's going to be real quick, and it's going to be to the point. So let's get right into it. How do you make a bundle for Amazon? Send it into FBA. Well, there's a lot of different ways. The way I'm going to show you is just with some of the things that I'm doing today, and I thought as I was boxing these up, some people may be struggling with this. So when you hear something like send in a bundle, you're like, wait a minute, how do you do that? What are the requirements? Well, you're going to walk away today knowing with confidence how to do that. So what are we going to do? We got 6 of this item here, tea, and we're selling it in a 6-pack. We're not selling it individually. We're going to sell it under the ASIN that has 120 bags, which is the 6-pack. So the first thing you want to do, if it's food, is you want to make sure that they all have the same expiration date. And these do. They're December of 2024. You don't want to have 3 that expire in December of 2024 and then 3 that expire next month, right? You want to make sure that they're all the same if it's a food item or something with an expiration date. Then you just need to put them in something. A box, a bag are the 2 most common, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a bag. So I've got this bag here, and I've got several different ones, different sizes, because I do this often, and I need a poly bag, all kinds of different things. If it has over a 5-inch mouth, a 5-inch opening, you need to have a warning label on there. It needs to have a choking hazard and a warning label, suffocation warning on there. And you can buy these with the label on there. That's fine. That's what I do. So with that in mind, we're going to get our boxes, and we're going to stuff them in there. I'm going to take the barcodes because Amazon doesn't want the barcodes showing if you're using your own label, which I'm going to. And I'm going to take these barcodes and I'm going to put them face up. And I'm going to put 3 down. And then I'm going to take these and I'm going to put the barcodes face down. So that way, nobody can see the barcode from the outside of the bag. Then I'm just going to take the self-adhesive here. And I'm going to just push down on it to make sure it's nice and secure. And then we've got our pack. We've got our 6 in a nice little bundle with the suffocation warning. And then we're going to take our do not set sticker. Do not set. Set, do not separate. Or something along those lines. Set, do not separate. That's what I have. And I'm just going to put it here where we sealed that with the self-adhesive. The bags hold pretty well. I just put that down as a little extra to keep that flap of the bag just a little bit more secure there. And then we've got our sticker with our MSKU on it that we're going to send in, how Amazon's going to read it in. We're going to put that on there. And then that's everything we need. Right here. There's the set. That's how I'm sending it in. That's how Amazon's going to receive it. That's how it's going to be sent out to the customer for 120 tea bags, set of 6 boxes. And it's that easy. Now, obviously, different things are going to be a little bit different if you're going to put it into a box, you know, some things like that. But that's the gist. That's the base of it. You put them in something. You put the do not separate on there. You put your tag on there. You make sure they all have the same expiration date. And then you treat it like any other item. So I hope this helped you. I hope this gives some of y'all the confidence to do this, to open up into selling sets, because a lot of times you can make more money selling something as a set than as a single, which is the case with these. So thanks for stopping by. Until next time, take it easy, keep hustling, and don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all later.